Jose Mariboria Visceral, born March 31, 1976, commonly known as Vice Ganda, is a Filipino comedian, actor, host, singer, and television personality. He's considered one of the most successful entertainers in Philippine show business, noted for his stand-up routines, usage of observational comedy, situational irony, and sarcasm in pertaining to Filipino culture and human sexuality. Vice has become a cultural icon, a symbol of resilience, and an inspiration to millions. His journey, from the comedy bars of Manila to sold-out Araneta concerts and blockbuster films, is a testament to his talent, hard work, and unwavering. He became a household name as a host on the popular noontime variety show It's Showtime, which has been a platform for his comedic talents and engaging personality. Dubbed as the phenomenal superstar by the media, Vice Ganda is the highest-grossing Filipino movie actor of all time, with a total movie gross of $4.6 billion since 2022. He has received numerous awards, including 2 Asian Academy Creative Awards, a FAMAS Award, a Guinness World Record, and a star on the Eastwood City Walk of Fame. With nearly 50 million combined followers, he is one of the most followed Filipino personalities across all leading social media platforms. Forbes Asia lists him among the most influential celebrities in Asia Pacific, while Reader's Digest named him as one of the most trusted personalities in 2023. Vice's comedy is sharp, observational, and often laced with sarcasm, tackling Filipino culture and human sexuality with a boldness that resonates with audiences. He's not afraid to push boundaries, challenge norms, and make people think while they laugh. His stand-up routines are legendary, his timing impeccable, and his connection with the audience palpable. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Vice's story is one of perseverance. He grew up in humble beginnings, facing personal challenges and the loss of his father at a young age. His mother's sacrifice, working abroad to support her family, instilled in him a strong work ethic. Vice's journey wasn't easy, but he persevered, honing his craft in the comedy clubs of Manila, eventually catching the eye of talent scouts like Ogie Diaz. Vice's influence extends beyond entertainment. He's a vocal advocate for the LGBTQ+ community, using his platform to promote acceptance, equality, and representation. His openness about his own identity has made him a role model for many, particularly young LGBTQ+ Filipinos. His impact is undeniable. Forbes Asia has recognized him as one of the most influential celebrities in the Asia-Pacific region, and Reader's Digest named him one of the most trusted personalities in 2023. He's broken box office records, won numerous awards, and even earned a Guinness World Record. With millions of followers across social media, he's one of the most followed Filipino personalities online. Vice Ganda's story is one of triumph over adversity, a celebration of talent, and a testament to the power of authenticity. He's more than just a beautiful Vice. He's an inspiration, a role model, and a true icon of Philippine entertainment. He has shown that laughter can be a powerful tool for social commentary, that vulnerability can be a source of strength, and that staying true to oneself is the key to lasting success. His journey continues, and as he embraces new challenges and opportunities, one thing is certain: Vice Ganda will continue to entertain, inspire, and leave an indelible mark on the world. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.